Here's how you can fix verification code not received problem. So, fixing this is pretty simple. You'll have to just follow different steps in order to solve this problem. First, check your phone number or email. Make sure that you entered the correct phone number or email. Even a small mistake will stop the code from arriving. Now, step 2 is waiting and resending the code. Sometimes there's a delay. Wait 30 to 60 seconds, then tap resend code. Avoid requesting too many times quickly. Now, step 3 is checking network signal. Ensure that you have a strong signal or internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if needed. To do that, simply scroll at the top and click mobile data. Turn off your Wi-Fi and see if this solves your problem. If not, turn your Wi-Fi again and turn off your mobile data. And that could instantly solve your problem. Now, step 4 is checking spam or junk folder. So if you are using email verification, simply open Gmail on your mobile phone. Now, click three-line icon at the top right. Here, you're going to simply scroll down and navigate to the section that says spam. Once you click spam, you will see different emails appearing. Your verification code email could be just right here. So search for your email. If you see that, click there and you'll get your verification code, because codes often land here by mistake. Now, step 5 is disabling Do Not Disturb or blockers. So, turn off the Do Not Disturb or SMS blocking apps. You can simply scroll down and make sure that Do Not Disturb is turned off. If this is turned on, you won't receive the code. Also, check if the sender number is accidentally blocked. To do that, click on phone icon, click on three-line icon at the top right and click settings. Now, click block numbers and here you will see a list of blocked numbers appearing. So, if you see the sender's number here, what you can simply do is click the minus icon after that number and it will instantly fix the problem. What you can also do is click three-line icon in the top right and click unblock all numbers if you're not sure of the sender's number. Now, another way to fix this problem is restarting your phone. So, what you can do is simply turn off your mobile phone by clicking the restart icon, because restarting refreshes network connection. Or what you can also do is simply scroll down at the top and click this airplane signal. Now, once you click this, your mobile network will be gone and then tap this icon again. Now, flight mode will be turned off and you will instantly receive your message. Now, step 7 is contacting support or trying another method. So, if it doesn't work, use call me instead option if available, or try a different phone number or email, or simply contact the app's support team. Final tip, verification issues are usually caused by network delays or incorrect details. Double check first before retrying multiple times. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.